She's recycling cable news debris from 2017, handed to her by a man who was the only one asking Russia to interfere in the election. The real conspiracy was how many people were too scared or too bought off to tell the full truth. If we see this, then we get to the conclusion that the engineer was being used by Lex Luthor, a narcissist. Although we're not going to say that Donald Trump is as cool as Lex Luthor, because he would never be as smart or gifted or intelligent or cunning or even enterprising as Lex Luthor would be. But Trump does utilize his narcissism here to weaponize Tulsi Gabbard, who is essentially weak-minded because of her attachment issues and mommy issues. If we look at the research done by Nathan Brooks at Bond University, we see traits that implicate how all this comes together into Donald Trump being a psychopath. The introduction of the Triarchic model, which is something that Patrick et al. 2009 had come up with. The Triarchic model is essentially a three-pronged test here model of boldness, meanness, and disinhibition, which is something that they utilize to really conclude that 20% of most corporate CEOs are psychopaths. It's central to a lot of the research that Bond has done here, and it maps directly onto Trump's observable behaviors, right? If we look at the boldness, Trump's behavior mirrors that with his charisma, public fearlessness, media domination, rapid recovery from scandal. If we look at the meanness component of this Triarchic model, mocking disabled reporters, cruel nicknames that he'll give his political adversaries, and the joy in humiliating his rivals. Disinhibition comes in the form of his impulsivity. The Twitter rants, the Truth Social blasts that he puts out, the lack of behavioral restraints, his financial chaos that exists.